Hello, this is Emeryville with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management in San Francisco. Today, I'm excited to be sharing with you 1802 Mason Street. This is right in front of the cable cars. There's a cable car stop right here. You can see the tip of a Nob Hill, the luxury hotels there. And then down here is Alcatraz. You can have a direct view of that as well. And of course, from the apartment, you can see so much more. But yeah, so what a magical place in North Beach to be next to so many areas that people covet and enjoy visiting. So let's go into the units right now. We're gonna climb a short set of stairs, and as you can see, it's just beautiful in here. So let's take a look. So you have nice glass French doors, beautiful chandeliers, high ceilings, a lot of wainscoting, and picture molding. We're going to start, this is a big property, so we're going to start in the kitchen area. This is a kitchen, kind of dining room combination, or breakfast area, depending on how you want to use it. There is bar stool seating available right here, so you can see the bar, and so you can tuck a couple of stools right there. All stainless appliances. You have microwave, dishwasher is on this side, and garbage disposal. And what's really nice is through these double pane windows, you're looking directly on the street. And again, double pane windows, you can hear how quiet it is in here. Double pane, they keep the sound, it keeps the sound out and all that warmth in. So really nice. Lots of cabinet space, all recessed lighting, just absolutely beautiful. See the pictures on the website for what's behind here. Now these are pocket doors, so if you want, depending on how you utilize this room, historically this has been used as more of a living room. You can see the TV here, so you can really expand this out, put a couch here. Again, more double pane windows right there, and then there's also window treatment too. This is really fun. So here is a picture shelving, so you can put pictures or figurines right there as well. And then each of the rooms is individually heated, which is super nice, especially if you're in one area of the house and you're trying to economize and be good to the environment. Bathroom number one, so shower, stand-up shower, tile, backsplash. Nice mirror that is very cleverly put into the sash windows right there. Very fun. Turning around, going down the hallway, we have the second bathroom. Again, very beautifully done. Nice tub here, tub shower combination with a marble backsplash there. Again, turning left, this is the TV room. So you can see really how this opens up into the kitchen breakfast area, depending on how you want to configure this. Here we have the stairs. There is a little, I want to share this closet because this is so much fun. So this is actually the staircase going up, and you can see that they create a little closet right here, which is really fun. Okay, so now here is also dependent on how you configure the room. This can be used as a bedroom. This can be used as an office space and or a actually master living room if you so desire, because this opens up into a separate room with a fireplace. So a lot of people have actually used this as a double parlor, living room, enjoy the fireplace, and then you have this wonderful turret. This is what they're called. It's basically a dome-shaped window that wraps around, so you can see all three streets. And when you go up to the window, you will see not only Coit Tower, but also Alcatraz. Nice deep closets right there. Again, this could be used as a bedroom as well, depending on your configuration or guest bedroom. So super lovely. And again, these tall ceilings are just amazing. Now, and there's, I don't know if you noticed right there, but there is a hookups for a TV right above the fireplace if you are so inclined. And this is one of the bedrooms right here. So you have a closet space right there. a nice chandelier. And this window looks onto Mason Street, and this does look directly onto Alcatraz. There is no shortage of closet space. Here's another closet space right there. All right, so that is it, 1802 Mason Street. If you're so inclined, this is November of 2023. So if you're inclined, we have a showing schedule up. We look forward to showing this property to you and answering any questions. All right, take care. Thank you.